Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di channel saya, Muhammad Al-Atsari. Kali ini saya akan mereview Pacific Invert 450. Ya, pertama, stangnya memakai Entity, stemnya non series, lalu brake-nya menggunakan Tektro twin piston, dan hand gripnya merek apa ini? ST Bicycle. Lalu seat post bawaan, sadelnya merek Velo. Terus ya ini framenya Invert 450 aluminium 6061. Lalu headsetnya menggunakan United, forknya menggunakan SR Contour XGM yang di refine Öhlins. Wah. Lalu di sini ada slebor atau fender. Lalu shifting menggunakan Acera. Ya ini di apa ini, Scotland Carbon biar keren. Lalu crank menggunakan Alivio, dan pedalnya ya jelek banget. Lalu di sini sprocket Shimano RD Altus M2000, dan di sini memakai free hub race, dan ban luarnya memakai Delium ya, ukuran 26x235 ya. Dan ini dis bawaan. Terus apa lagi ya? Oh ya, ini peleknya menggunakan Araya DS 600 double wall. Ya, mungkin segitu saja review dari saya. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.